Yay, destroying. I'm going to make something.
Oh yeah, everyone and James.
I made something, guys, and I'm pretty sure I just made Super Saiyan. He's more impossible than he is. Let's get this up, right? Here we go. Here comes the impossible part, okay? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's impossible. Oh, holy guacamole. And by the way, if you guys want the link to this so you can possibly customize this song to recreate it, I'll give you the link. Alright, here's the link. So yeah, I'll put this. So yeah, I put it and just search up and then click on the first link. Just search up KBHEMs and click on the first link, and then it will bring you to this website. So I'm gonna do this one more time. Hold on 1 second, let me stop. Alright, be very quiet. Here we go.
my clothes. What the fuck? How can I do school, but then I like look for clothes in the kitchen?
Not 100 misses yet. That's a good time. Yeah, I'm alright at 16 misses. Here we go. Here we go. Come on! How will I ever be able to beat this, guys? I don't know. I'll record this one last time. Come on, Straw. You can hold this little thing. Come on, you damn Straw. Well, Straw couldn't hold the phone. So, take the straw out. Put this pepper. You lit? Nope. I'm in the pepper. Lit. I can only get this. Okay. No, I'm just gonna skip. This is the closest I got to making it good. So this is all I can get. Yeah, I'm gonna try a different angle now. Sorry if this is even worse. Oh, crap. No, I don't want to watch damn 8-bit Ryan. Alright. Here we go. It looks like the alt animation for you guys. I know it. You can check the health bar. You can kind of see my character too. Yeah, I'm gonna check the recording after this. Alright, here we go. Let's go. Yeah, that's the last time I'm playing this crap. But damn, I barely even moved the cup. Alright. Yeah, okay, that was Shaggy at 0.2, 0.3% of his power. Basically. Because that was pretty impossible. Only 8-bit Ryan would be able to beat that because what the heck is he on? He's on FNF's steroids. He's on finger steroids. His fingers are on steroids. It's every day. You're like, but what the heck? Anyways, end of the video. Like, subscribe, whatever. I don't care.